It is?
Yes.
What is it?
There is.
What color? Go get it. Bring it down.
Don't open it. Bring it down.
Is there a name on it? Bring it down.
Oh, that's why Danger was growling. He saw Santa maybe.
He saw Santa?
I maybe gave him a present. Maybe he dropped it on accident in his sleigh.
I think both. Hold on.
Okay, wait.
Yeah, go close the door.
Whose is this?
I don't know. There's no name on it anywhere.
No, I don't see nothing.
I don't see nothing either. I think you guys both should open it.
Yay! But how come?
I don't know whose it is.
It's the good. You gotta be kidding me! Thank you, Dad!
Is that so awesome?
$500 respect! Yes! How much was this?
Who spent $500?
You.
No, I didn't. I got you skateboards.
Really? Thanks, Santa. Mom? Video games?
Mama. What'd you get?
Thank you, Mom! It shows what I wanted!
That's what
This is what I wanted. Okay, Call of Duty of Ghost. Look what I got on Xbox One. Yours is on Xbox One too. I think I'm gonna Let's play it. Okay.
How awesome is that?
Yes.
Is that one mine?
This has your guys' both names on it.
Ooh, let's open it. Controllers? Ooh, but is there only one? No, there's two of them. I have no idea.
I think there's one inside of the Xbox console.
I bet two.
What do you think?